making Tom Yum. Spicy, sour, and seriously addictive. Let's get our Thai ingredients ready. Things are about to get spicy. Lemongrass goes in first. One little chop, and that aroma is everywhere. Galangal. It looks innocent, but it brings some serious flavor. Kaffir lime leaves. They smell amazing when they stop trying to escape. Time for Thai chilies. Tiny peppers. Massive attitude. Fresh shrimp are next. Apparently, these little guys want to fight back. Now we bring the broth to a gentle simmer. Lemongrass and galangal go in, bringing that classic Thai aroma. Add the lime leaves and chilies. We're officially entering spicy territory. Mushrooms. They're here to soak up all that delicious flavor. And the shrimp. This is where Tom Yum gets seriously delicious. A little fish sauce adds that deep, savory flavor we're looking for. Finally, fresh lime juice. Sour, bright, and absolutely essential. And there it is. Hot, spicy, sour, and packed with Thai flavor. Wow, that spice just woke up my ghost. Subscribe, watch previous videos, and wait for surprises.